Through the years, you experienced boundless joys and heartaches that have made you who you are today. We celebrate this with a song.
Half the world is sleeping, half the world's awake, half can hear their hearts break, half just hear them break. I am but a traveler in most every way. Ask me what you want to know. What it has been, and the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. Forward, always forward. Onward, always up. Catching every drop of hope in my empty cup. Journey it has been, and the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When they're shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been.
Now that your journey in Nia has come to an end, we bid you farewell, not goodbye, because we know we will be seeing each other every now and then. Prepared ba ka? Tatlong kanta yan. Just the first time.
Hello.
I tend scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laugh for a moment and start to cry.
We're
Crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce back our gentle years. Even if our last race will never clear. Farewell to you, my friend. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, it's at the end of every day. How maybe miles away, but here in my heart will stay with you, my friends, with you. And now, one of your lovable traits and our persona, our dearest Lucky, we bring you. Igwapa.
Na ang aking pag-ibig, ikaw lamang sa buong daigdig. tumitibok ng puso ko'y sumama ka sa akin. Mr. Suave! Oh, grabe! Mabuhin ng babae ano man o gabi. Ako si Mr. Suave! Oh, grabe! Diskarte! Wala silang masabi. Hindi ka nang mag-cry. Kalimang umiibig sa'yo.
Picture. Picture doon. Shot, video yan, shot mo na lang. Okay. Sige na. Di na pa ako mabilang. Smile na lang po. Yun na. Sabi din ako mabilang.